What's the meaning of cuddly? Cuddly. Cuddly.
Cuddly. Cuddly. Cuddly means something or someone that is soft, huggable, and comforting to touch. It is often used to describe toys, animals, or even people who are approachable and evoke a warm and fuzzy feeling. A cuddly object or person makes people want to hold them close and feel protected, like a security blanket. Cuddliness is typically associated with warmth, affection, and positive emotions. Overall, cuddly describes anything that invites affection and tenderness, and is often used as a term of endearment.